Yo party people, it happened again. Instagram clapped my accounts again. Both Instagram accounts for my main girl are suspended by Instagram. In this video I will talk with you what I think happened, why they suspended it, how they detected it, that it's an AI account. Because we strap all the metadata from the AI images, they are fucking looking like real images. I will share with you what happened. Should be a banger. First, I will report the revenue from yesterday. I will do that from now on in every video. I will always check what we earned last day from our AI girl, and I will share these numbers with you so that you have like a perspective what you can earn in this business. Yesterday we made $123.95 from our main model. It's a big drop. We had like many more in the last days. I will share my earnings with you. I will always refresh the page so that you see it's not like fake numbers, and then I will go here. I will go here, MA6, which is today, and then you see today we already made like 73. Yesterday we made 123. Just to see for what we made in the last days, and then not lying, we had like 183, and then 30 we had like 260, 579. These were the good days where both accounts are running good, and yeah, Instagram fucking clapped both accounts. So yesterday in the morning I woke up, I always get my phones, and then I open Instagram, and then I see this message that I saw already so many times. Instagram wants me to verify if I'm a real human. And when you see this message, you're basically fucked already, because what they want from you is that you upload an ID or that you verify that you're a human with a video selfie, which is basically you cannot do that. When you do that, you see this notification on Instagram that they want you to verify that you're a human. Your chances are good that you basically lose this account. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday. The day before, it happened with the other good account, and in the morning it happened with this. It's a big drop because we made like 25,000 in the last 3 months with this girl. We had like perfectly running Instagram accounts with her. What did we had? What was working? We had like 2 Instagram accounts, fully warmed up, Reels only accounts. We only post Reels, like 3 Reels per day on each of the accounts. And they were starting already like to take off, okay? The Reels were performing already. We had like 20 or up to 50K views each Reel that we upload. And then the whole pipeline was running perfectly. We had like already a batch of Reels produced and scheduled. And yeah, I have like this Claude skill where I just need to type in, and then it will produce me my Reels that I want. Because like the normal workflow, how we produce, like for example talking head Reels, you have like your base image, right? The Reels format 9:16. You go with this image to wave speed, you upload it there, and then you need like a voice file that the woman is talking, because most of the AI tools that you can use out there to make like user generated content, the voice is blechy, like it sounds like a real AI. And to fix this, there is a tool on WaveSpeed. You upload your image, you upload your voice file, and then it sounds like a real human, you know. And that voice file you generate over in 11 Labs. You can clone a voice so that you always have a consistent, perfectly voice that your girl is always using, or you just use like a standard voice on 11 Labs that fits to your girl. And then you download this voice audio file, uploaded it in WaveSpeed together with your image, and then WaveSpeed will generate like a talking head video out of it. But it doesn't look like real because the camera is static, and when she's filming like a selfie video, the camera is static and it looks like most of the time AI. That's why I created this Claude skill where this whole workflow includes also to add like a little bit micro shaking while she's talking. She has like real movements with her eyes when she is thinking, like what a real human would do, okay? This whole skill produces that talking head reel, and then also schedule it on my Instagram account through Postbridge. They have like an API where you can connect your Instagram account, and then yeah, it's also included in my skill. So that skill basically produce the reel, uploads the reel, schedule it, add a perfect caption, and you're Gucci. I share this full skill, by the way, in our school community where we teach how to grow AI models to 10K per month on Fanvue. If you want to join, please check out the first link in the description. And then, yeah, the clap happened. I woke up. Both accounts are suspended. They want me to verify that I'm a human. I tried it. The first time I had it, I tried it actually with my wife. She did like the video verification and it actually worked. The first time, like the first 1 or 2 times that I had that on one of the phones, it worked. And we tried it again and it's not working anymore. So yeah, both accounts are gone. There was no warning, no strike in the account status in Instagram. Everything was fine before. So they really clapped us with that. And then my honest guess why that happened, why they suspended the accounts, or what triggered the Instagram violation. My guess is that we made a mistake by scheduling our reels through Postbridge API. Okay, hear me out. A normal 20-year girl, they would never use like a API or schedule their reels like through a third-party website or something. Okay, it's just not looks real, like a real girl would treat that account. Okay, so Meta sees these API signatures on every upload. Okay, it's the same posting pattern, the same metadata, and the same exact structure. Okay, the time where you upload. When you have that on 2 or 3 of your accounts and you use the same patterns, Meta and Instagram can detect that. Okay, so what you should do is to act like a real girl as much as possible. Okay, so combine all of that scheduling and everything with the AI generated content that we basically have, and then also like brand new warmed up accounts and things like that. You are basically waving already with a flag on Instagram. Okay, so this isn't the fault of services like Postbridge or something. It's more like a behavior pattern. Any scheduler doing like a API publishing leaves like the same fingerprints. So yeah, I think this is my theory what happened, because the accounts were perfectly warmed up. It worked with all the accounts before. They are perfectly warmed up. All the images are stripped of AI metadata. We inject like real iPhone metadata into the images. Then we generate the reels. We make the reels like super realistic. We have like a tool where we always check like the images and also the videos, and ask like the tool, can you see if it's made with AI? Are there any like fingerprints or whatever? And it comes always out, it looks like a real human. And even like in Instagram, when you upload it, there's no AI meta info, blah, blah, blah. So they cannot detect if the video is AI. So there has to be a signal that triggers that flag. And I think it is the uploading through an API like Postbridge or something like that. The fix going forward from now on is I still have like these 2 aged Instagram accounts that I used for that auto strategy. These 2 Instagram accounts, I put them on the 2 phones. Like here I have like 2 phones. Here's one and here's one. And on both phones I have like 1 aged Instagram account. They're already warmed up. I already scrolled for a few days and I uploaded the first reel yesterday. And I woke up today and we are not clapped, so I hope it's working. So the new rule is 0 API publishing ever. Okay, the workflow is from now on, my skill produces the final reel. I will airdrop that reel and transfer it to my phone, and then from there I post it manually. Okay, like a real girl would do that. And yeah, it's slower, it adds like more time and work, but it's better than losing my Instagram account that already pulling in like 40k views per reel and already has like, I don't know, 5,000 subscribers after a while. The bigger lesson here for anybody building this is like you can automate like 95 of the whole operation with AI OFM. Okay, the last 5%, the actual publishing should be done by you. Okay, don't be lazy here. That needs to look like a real human. Anything that touches like Meta server should look like a phone, not like a server. Okay, that's why I will not use any third parties anymore for engagement or for scheduling, I will always publish the reels and the content from the actual phones. We need to act like a real girl here from now on. For the next video, I would also like to answer some questions if you have. So if you have some questions, you can drop it here in the comments, and then in the next video on the next day, I will read through the comments and will answer them always in the end of the videos. So yeah, if you have questions, drop it in the comments. Please like and follow this account. That will help a lot. And check out our school community, AI OFM Mastery, if you want the real playbook. I will share all my secret sauce that I have, all my secret tactics that we are using, and how I grow my AI models. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.